Hey guys, we are at EXPCon 2023 here in Las Vegas. I'm so super excited for multiple reasons. A, I get to talk on AI technologies, which I think is here to stay. Just like the era of the emails and the .coms, AI is the new thing, and if you don't learn it and you don't feel comfortable using it, you're gonna be, I don't want to say out of business, but you might become a dinosaur in real estate, and that's what we exactly don't want you to do. So that's why we are sharing our knowledge. Second reason why I'm so super excited is because I get to share the stage with Carrie, who I sponsored into the company, and she's from Canada, a rockstar agent. My bestie here at EXP, I got to share the stage with her is Veronica and Mike Schroard. So it's just an honor overall to be able to, share our knowledge and be in the same time on the stage, and it's just an epic moment of my life and my career. So when you're on social media, right, you want to be in front of where the eyeballs are. Now, yes, that's where the eyeballs are, on the Instagrams, the TikToks, the YouTubes, the Facebooks, right? But do you know who's the next buyer, and do you know who's the next seller, and can you have a way for them to raise their hand?